Back locally, Kingston College's Manning Cup team emerged 1-0 victors over Calabar's Manning Cup team in the annual David Wagga Hunt Football Classic held recently at the Uimona Bowl. Now, the victory ensured Kingston College retained the trophy for the competition, which is used by both schools as part of their preparation for the upcoming Easter schoolboy football season. But although retaining the trophy, Kingston College's coach, Jermaine Miller, feels his team could have done better.
I think the performance wasn't as expected. We came out and I thought the first 10 minutes, we had control. But then we started to make silly mistakes, give away the ball, and then Calabar grew in confidence, and it made the game a little bit more difficult than it really was.
Calabar's coach, Andrew Price, underscored the importance of the competition, which goes beyond the field of play for both schools.
It's very important, and in the memory of David Wagga Hunt, it's very important that the two schools, though we are rivals, we are not enemies, and that is the motto that both teams have had for years. And because of Wagga Hunt, we are doing this in his memory. And also a lot of youngsters at the school get opportunities and scholarships through this initiative. So I'm happy for the crowd support that came out from both school supports, and we want to continue this in the future.
Meanwhile, co-chairman of the David Wagga Hunt Scholarship Foundation, Christopher Hunt, revealed that there will be an increase in the value of scholarships heading into the 15th year of the program.
To say we're going to increase that number to 150,000 per student for the 6 years. So we are going to disperse $3.6 million for 24 kids, 12 kids from KC, 12 from Calabar.